Rating my characters in the AI. Yoko. 10 out of 10. I love the little butterfly clips. And of course, me, Miss Chicky Nuggy. 9 out of 10. Looks kinda cursed. My BFF. 10. I can't even say it. I'm speechless. I love this one. Chicky Nuggy. 1. 10 out of 10. Chicky Nuggy 2. 1 out of 10. It's just a body. Chicky Nuggy 3. Very, very cursed. 6 out of 10. Chicky Nuggy 4. 0 out of 10. It looks creepy. I'm sorry, but it does. And then me and Eternal, my favorite YouTuber. 3 out of 10. I don't like it that much. And then all of us, especially that ugly UwU cat that she gets sprayed with gacha heat. 5 out of 10. Cute, I think.